Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the Magic Eraser tool to change similar pixels throughout an image. If you use this tool in the background layer or in a layer with locked transparency where you cannot edit the transparent pixels, the pixels will change into the background color. Otherwise, the pixels will be erased to transparency. You can use this tool to only erase contiguous or touching pixels, or all pixels that are similar in color. To use the Magic Eraser tool, select it from the toolbox and also within the tool options bar if needed. It shares a spot in the toolbox with the Eraser tool. In the tool options bar, you can also use the tolerance slider to define the range of colors similar to the one you want to remove. A lower tolerance erases only pixels with a color very similar to the one you select. A higher tolerance erases pixels with a broader range of color similarity. Use the opacity slider to adjust the opacity of the erased pixels. A 100% opacity will completely erase all of the selected pixels. A lower opacity will only partially erase the pixels. To make the erased selection have smooth versus jagged edges, check the anti-aliasing checkbox. If you check the contiguous checkbox, only pixels touching the pixel color you select will be erased. If unchecked, all pixels of that color anywhere in the image will be erased. To sample the color that will be erased by using the combined data of all visible layers, check the Sample All Layers checkbox. After you have the settings you wish, click into the image on the pixel color in the part of the image or layer you want to erase.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.